Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this bottom menu in your e-commerce website or any type of website by using a simple plugin. Okay, I will show you, like, you can add your home page, cart page, shop page and my account page, and you can add a few more icons in the mobile bottom menu. Okay, I will show you how to create this bottom menu. So first log into your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins option. You need to click on this plugin section and here type add plugin, and here you can in the search bar type mobile menu. You need to type this option like mobile menu, and here you need to type like mobile menu. And if I scroll down, here you can see WP mobile bottom menu by WP Messai. So this is the plugin we need to install in order to create a bottom menu. Okay, mobile bottom menu. Click on install now. Initially, if I visit my website in new tab, so let me select this mobile option, and here you can see in the mobile menu we don't have any bottom menu, mobile bottom menu in the mobile view. Okay, after installing this plugin, click on this activate plugin. After activating, on the left side you will see this option on the bottom of the WordPress dashboard, WP Be Now settings. Click on this option, and here under pre-made themes you need to select this pre-made themes option. Here you will find what type of mobile bottom menu you want in your website. Okay, and here you can see you can import any of the options. It is available in free version and the pro version. As per now we will use only like free versions. Okay, so I want to use this one. Let me click on this, and here you can click on this import full template. Click on OK. We will import entire template. Here you can see the template has been imported. Let me click on OK. After importing, you have to click on this save changes option. Okay, and let me go to new tab and let me refresh this page. Let's view this in mobile view, and here you can see we got this mobile menu, this type of mobile options. Okay, and now whenever if we click on this icons, it's not redirecting anywhere. Now we need to customize the menu. Okay, in order to customize the menu, you need to go to this appearance option and go to these menus. We need to update the menu, and here select a menu. You need to click on this drop down option, and you need to select this skin 12 menu. This option. Okay, Be Now bottom menu. Click on select. Here we will add the menus. Okay, here I don't want all these menu items. Let me select this and click on remove. We will remove all these menu items. Let me expand this and click on remove, and again expand this, click on remove, and again expand this, click on remove. Okay, now click on view all option. Here we need to add the home page. First let me select home page and click on add to menu, and let me select shop page. Let me select this shop page and click on add to menu, and let me select this cart page, click on add to menu, and let me add another page. Let me click on this my account page and click on add to menu. Okay, so I want these 4 icons that should be visible in this page. Okay, so click on this home page, and here you need to enable all these options. Show icon mode also. Here we need to upload an icons. So let me click on add icon, and we need to select icons. Let me select home icon, click on home, and this is the icon we need to select. And for active icon also we need to select home. Okay, and for shop icon we need to select shop icon. Please do expand this, and you need to select this, click on add icon and type shop. Okay, here you will get lots of options. Okay, or else you can type, let me type shop only. Okay, here let me select this icon, and active icon also let me select this shop icon. Okay, and let me expand this cart page, and here also we will select for cart icon, we will select this cart. Okay, add icon, click on select the cart icon. Okay, for my account page we will select person image like user. Search for user in the search bar. Here we will select this user. Okay, and add icon, again let me select this user option. After selecting the icons, okay, click on save menu. You need to save the menu. Okay, now let's go to this website, new tab, and let me refresh the page, and let's see these icons will be replaced with the icons which we have created recently. So you can view your website in the mobile view. Here you can see. Okay,
before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
You can also customize the colors. So in order to customize the stylings, go to this again WP Be Now settings, go to this menu styles option, click on general settings, and here you need to enable this option. And bottom we need no padding in the bottom. Let me keep it as 0, bottom padding as. Okay, and background color should be white color only. Okay, and here let me, the bottom margin also should be 0. Click on save changes. Okay, now let's go to menu styles option And here always the background color should be in white color, okay, and when it is active, the border color should be in red color according to my website branding color codes. Here active background color should be in red color again when it is active, okay, and icons typography color should be in black color. Whenever it is active, the icon color should be in red color, okay. Please do select the red color, okay. After making the changes, click on save settings, okay. And here now let's go to this website and let me refresh this tab. Now let's check the details. Here you can see the icon is visible like this. So here I want to remove the background. Here, sorry, I have activated this active background should be empty, okay. Click on save changes, okay. When it is active, only the color will be changed, icon color. Let me refresh the page. So here you can see home page is active. That's the reason it is showing in red color. If I select the shop page, so here you can see this is a shop page and it is active, okay. And if I select the my account page, and here you can see my account page will be active, okay. And you can customize as per your requirements. You can add bottom padding or margin as per your requirement, okay. You can play with these settings, okay. And by using this plugin, we can create this mobile bottom menu in the mobile, okay. And if you want more tutorials regarding WordPress and Elementor, you can visit my YouTube channel. There are many videos available. And if you want to learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, you can watch these 6 hours plus tutorials in my YouTube channel. And also I have created 3 hours plus WordPress basics to advanced website designing course also. You can watch these 2 videos to become professional in website designing.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.